Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited WhatsApp account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys to do is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store and then search for Secure VPN over here. Secure VPN. Now you can see this particular VPN over here. Once you search for Secure VPN, you can see a lot of VPN, but I recommend this one. So download this one with more than 100 million plus downloads. So download this one. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update it and then use the latest version of this application. Now once you have downloaded this application, all you need to do is to just go ahead and then open your Secure VPN. So open your Secure VPN over here. Now once you open your Secure VPN, you can see checking network settings. Now just wait for it to load and you can see connect. All you need to do is to click on connect over here, and once you click on connect, you can see connected and you can see the key option at the top there. It means I have connected to this particular VPN. Now once you are connected to this, just open your WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp over here. Now once you open your WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. If you have already logged in, with any new or any old account, you have to log out and start everything afresh. So just sign out from your old account. Now once you come to this place, you can see it is demanding for your contact. Now in this case, just close your WhatsApp and open your Play Store once again. Once you open your Play Store once again, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store and then search for receive SMS online. And once you search for this, you can see a lot of applications over here, but I will recommend this one for you. Receive SMS online. You can see how this application looks like. You can see over here it has more than 1 million plus downloads. So download this special one. Now once you download this special application, just go ahead and then open this application. So just scroll. So just scroll to where you can see this application. So just open this receive SMS online. So just open the application over here, and once you open this application, just wait for it to load and you can see choose country over here. So just wait as it is loading. So you can see all your countries over here. Now in my case, I'll go for USA. So click on contest later and then choose your country. So you can see select phone number. Now choose the one that you prefer over here. So once you choose it, you can see the number over here. Click on copy and you can see copy it over here. Now once you click on copy, just go back to your WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp. So just go to your WhatsApp over here. And you can see where you ended. So open your WhatsApp. Now once you open your WhatsApp, just paste the number over here. Now the one is already there, so delete the one. And you can see all you need to do is to click on next. And you can see connecting. So just wait as it is connecting. Now you can see the OTP code is being sent. So all you need to do is to just come back to this place. So just open the application and click on copy. And click on refresh. Now once you click on refresh, it will refresh your messages so you can see the OTP code over here. Now use this OTP code to verify your account. So with this, you can create unlimited WhatsApp account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video